Hello everyone. Yes, it's about that time. Yes, the holidays are approaching and I have some new dishes to share with you all. So y'all stay tuned for my new holiday recipes.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we are making some potato casserole. Yes, potato casserole. And here are our ingredients. I have some potatoes, some butter, some diced ham, green onions, some cheddar cheese, sour cream, and some salt and pepper to taste. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our potato casserole. In this pot, I am boiling my potatoes. Be very careful, I'm putting them in hot water. You do not have to do that. That's the way I'm doing mine. I'm going to let these boil. Just boil them until a fork is able to go through them. Okay. Potatoes have been boiling for like 25 minutes. And as y'all can see, the fork is going through them. That means they're ready. I'm going to cool these potatoes. We're going to put it in a sink. Cool these potatoes. Okay, I have put these in my strainer bowl. And I'm going to let these cool for a few minutes and then I'm going to be right back. Okay, and here you just a little bit. Here's what you do. You peel these potatoes like this. Get all the skin off them. And some of them I'm going to leave the skin on and some of them I'm not. It's up to you. I'm just showing you if you don't want the skin on them, you do not have to. You can leave the skin on these potatoes. Okay, here I'm showing you if you want to leave your skin on your potatoes, this is what you do. You just dice them up just like this. Or you can lay them on the surface if you prefer. Let's dice them just like that. I'm going to finish dicing them. Okay, now we're putting our casserole together. Here I'm adding some butter. I'm not making that much today, so I'm not going to put that much butter in there. And I'm going to add some sour cream. My chives. My ham. My cheese. This together. This will be a perfect dish for dinner and for potlucks, parties. This will be perfect. My oven is ready. I'm going to finish mixing this together. I'm going to add a little more sour cream. Y'all, some of this can have, you can make your own adjustments too. Just a little bit more. You know how you like your baked potato. If you like that sour cream, you add more sour cream. Now I'm going to taste this. This is how you know how much salt and pepper to put in here. I'm going to add some more butter. I'm just going to add a whole stick of butter. I'm going to add some salt. And some black pepper. Now this is so simple to make. When they taste this, they're going to think you done slaved on this stove all day long. And it doesn't take that long to make this. And plus, it's very, very delicious. I'm going to finish mixing this up, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, now what I'm doing, I have this big plate here, dish that I'm going to put this in, and I hope it's big enough, y'all. I'm going to add some more cheese on it. And all you doing when you put it in the oven, I'm put it in a 350-degree oven, is melting the cheese. Because everything else is ready. Everything in there is ready to go. So I'm just going to put a little cheese on top of this. And y'all know I boil these potatoes. You can put yours in the oven if you prefer and bake them. And follow the recipe. Okay, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven until the cheese melts. And I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, I am back. I had this in the oven for maybe 7 to 8 minutes. Like I said, it all depends on the cheese. If you want your cheese melted, you put it in there for just a few minutes. Okay, y'all, well, I'm gonna get ready to plate this up. Got my plate here. Show y'all how this looks. Look, y'all. Y'all see that? How good that looks? Look at there. Okay, y'all, here's my potato casserole. Taking you closer so you can see all of the meat and chives and cheese and everything in there. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all try and enjoy my recipe. This is my first holiday recipe that you can have for Thanksgiving or Christmas or whichever one or both. But I just wanted to share this recipe number 1 for our Christmas holiday dish. Okay, y'all, well, I'm going to get ready to close. I want y'all to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share on Facebook. Share on Instagram. Share, y'all. Share these recipes. And I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D. and her family.
That's a hit.